Hey guys, I am starting a content agency from zero and I am sharing everything with you. Most of people will show you the highlighted content, they will never show you the actual work. But I am going to show the actual process of building a B2B content agency from zero, including my mistakes and my wins. So specifically, we will build a content agency of YouTube where we will provide the services to clients to build their personal brands on the YouTube. Firstly, in order to lay the foundation of our agency, I don't think we need a website, a logo, or a testimonial yet. But I think, but I think I just need my first founding client who will pay me cash, and through that process, I will make sure that my idea is working and validated. For now, I have just this YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile which I will show to my clients. Sounds crazy? Yes, it is, but I am going to do that. Who will be our clients? Obviously, I will not target the CEOs who need a consistent track record of achievements, but I will target small business coaches who want to build their personal brand on the YouTube. Let me clarify that who is founding clients. Founding clients are the people who want to work with you at the start. They know that you don't have any proofs or any testimonials yet, and they have no problem with that. The next question is that how will you find our targeted clients? I will find my clients through the LinkedIn, and I will tell you the whole process in the next video, but for now I am just using some sort of AI tools to compile a list of them and then try to reach to them and build a real genuine connection with them. In the first, I will not just pitch my offer, I will just try to build a connection with them, real connection. If you're watching to the end, then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video, and if you like the video, then drop a comment below that what you are doing and going to do, so we together build as a community.